Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grasping Window, and today Grasping Window presents a grammar topic, articles. So let's start. Friends, in articles there are three things: article A, article N and article the. So let's start our topic. Friends, now what are these articles? The demonstrative adjective a, an, and the are called articles. So that means in the article we have three things: article a, article n, and article the. And within these three articles, the is a definite article, and the article a and article n are the indefinite articles. Now, what is the difference between these? So, articles are used to indicate whether the noun is definite or indefinite. So, a and n are indefinite articles because they indicate the noun which is used in a sentence is neither particular nor definite. Okay, so you can see some examples on the screen I have given. We got it that the is the definite article and a and n are the indefinite article. But where these articles are exactly used before? This is a very big confusion we have. Okay, because we everyone know a and the are the articles, but when it comes in the paper we get confused. Oh, where to write a, where to write n, and exactly where to write the article the. So let's clear this all the things. Now article a. Article a, it comes before a singular common noun. A is written before the words start with a consonant sound. Singular common noun and the spelling of that word, like here I have given a boy. Boy is a singular common noun and it starts with a consonant. B is a consonant. Now what are these exactly consonant? Friends, we have a 26 alphabets as we know, and within this 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest others are the consonant. So you can see into the example, boy, pen, doctor, it's B, P, D, T, F. These all are consonant and it is a singular common noun. So that's why we have used article A. I would like to go to university, and the spelling of university start with the U and U comes into the vowel. Then how we have written the article A over here? So friends, let me clear one thing. The university spelling start with a U and U is a vowel, no doubt. But the sound of U is A. Umbrella, uncle. This is a sound of U. And here the university sound as a U, year, and the year comes under the consonant. Any vowel, but it gives the sound of consonant, so we use article A. Hope it's clear to you. So let's move to our next article, article N. Article N is used before a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. Like article A is used before a sound of consonant. It's the same thing, article N is used before the sound of vowel. And which alphabets are the vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. If the word begin with a consonant but spoken with a vowel sound, the article N is used. Got it? Look into the examples. An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Here umbrella sound of U is O. Okay. So apple start with a A, egg start with a E, ice cream I, orange O, umbrella U, and these are the vowels. There are few more examples. An R and honest. Now here the spelling of R and honest start with the H, but we pronounce as an R and honest. We take a sound of O, which is a vowel. So that's why here the words start with a consonant, but it's spoken with a vowel sound. So article N is used. Spoken with a vowel sound, the article N is used. Got it? Look into the examples. An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Here umbrella sound of U is O. Okay. So apple start with A, egg start with a E, ice cream I, orange O, umbrella U, and these are the vowels. There are few more examples. An R and honest. Now here the spelling of R and honest start with the H, but we pronounce as an R and honest. We take a sound of O, which is a vowel. So that's why here the words start with a consonant, but it's spoken with a vowel sound. So article N is used. Same thing like a one, European. One rupee. It's O is a vowel again, but the sound of O is O, orange. And here we use the sound one, wo, which is a sound of consonant. So here we don't use the article N. The words start with a vowel, but it's spoken as a consonant sound. So the article N will not be used. Same thing for the European, because the sound of E is A, egg, elephant. But here when the word Euro, but here when the word Europe is there, the sound of E is U, like a university, and here is again consonant. So the article A is used here. Article N will not be used. So I think after looking the article N, you must have cleared with these things. For the article A and for the article N, you have to remember that the sound of word. If the word starts with a consonant sound, the article A is used, and if the word starts with a vowel sound, article N is used. It's as simple it is. Okay, hope it's clear to you. So let's move to our third article, that is article the. Article the, it comes before the unique things in a nature, like the moon, the sun, the universe, the earth. So these are only and only one thing into the world. So it comes before the unique things in nature. It comes before a superlative, like Ram is the tallest boy into the class. So in the class only Ram is the tallest, so that it is a superlative degree. When est is there, it is a superlative degree. So the is also used before a superlative, and same noun repeated in a same sentence, the article the is used. It also comes before the designation when we write a letter to the principal, to the municipal officer. So the article the is used there. So same noun repeated into the same sentence. So we'll come to that point. Here are the few examples. I went to a doctor. A doctor we have already seen into the article A, right? So I went to a doctor because doctor is a singular common noun and the letter D is a consonant sound. The doctor told to take rest. Now here again the doctor is repeated. So the repeated noun, the article the is used. For the repeated noun, article the is used. A is a vowel, sorry. Apple, spelling of apple start with a vowel sound. So that's why we have used the article N. I ate an apple. But the noun is repeated. Apple is repeated into the same sentence. So we use the article the. Hope it's clear to everyone. So let's have a small revision. We have seen the three articles, article A, article N and article the. When to use the article A? Before the sound of consonant, before a singular common noun which start with a consonant sound. Okay. When to use the article N? Before the word start with a vowel sound. And in the article the, it's a very specific, universal, and the noun is repeated, same noun is repeated into the same sentence. So it's very easy. So hope it's clear to everyone. And if there any confusion, just go to the description box. There are few sentences. You can solve that and you will get the immediate answer. So you will be very clear to that. Hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and do comment and subscribe our channel.